Hello, this is Eric. I'm standing in a warehouse for the manufacturer who's making the disposable mask. Okay, you can see here is the traditional disposable mask machine. You can see here the non-woven fabric, the fixed one, membrane fabrics. This is very important because all the function for the mask is come from here. And this is the non-woven fabric too. After this machine making the shape, after that here is the semi-finished one. Now in my hand is the one of very important products. Now this is the disposable mask for kids. We know that the kids is very important for our life and our family. Why I know that? Because I have a child too. So that's why we're using the best quality, the woven fabric and the membrane fabrics for it. You can see here it's very colorful. This is a traditional mask for the kids, but this is our new product. It's very colorful and very cutie. Okay, you can see here we are using the double fabrics for protect the nose stick, because we know that we have to guarantee our kids not hurt by this stick. And the second, you can see here, is very good for the shape. It's a very good shape for the seal, the face, and the kids, and make sure they have a good protection for it. And even the airbag, we have to do a lot of tests. It's strong enough for the kids. So this one you can see here is with the 3 triple S. We are using the triple S standard non-woven fabrics for this. So even we know that the kids' skin is very young, they need a good protection. So trust us, this will be very good for sale and kids market. Okay, thank you.